How can I rename a conda environment? I have a conda environment named old_name. How can I change its name to new_name without breaking references?
New answer. From conda 4.14 you will be able to use just. Although, under the hood, conda rename still uses 1-2 undermentioned combination of conda create and conda remove. Use the D flag for dry run, not destination, as of v22.11.0. Old answer. You can't. One workaround is to clone a new environment and then remove the original one. First, remember to deactivate your current environment. You can do this with the commands deactivate on Windows or source deactivate on macOS/Linux. Then, notice there are several drawbacks of this method. It re-downloads packages. You can use offline flag to disable it, time consumed on copying environments files, temporary double disk usage. There is an open issue requesting this feature.
Conda create name new_name copy clone old_name is better. I use conda create name new_name clone old_name which is without copy but encountered pip breaks. The following URL may help installing TensorFlow and cloned conda environment breaks conda environment it was cloned from.
Based upon Dwanderson's helpful comment, I was able to do this in a bash one-liner. My badly named env was env1 and the new one I wish to clone from it is in Python 2.
Conda should have given us a simple tool like cond and rename, old, new, but it hasn't. Simply renaming the directory, as in this previous answer, of course, breaks the hard-coded hashbangs hash. Hence, we need to go one more level deeper to achieve what we want. Here I am trying to rename RTG, unsub, please bear with those names, this is my real use case. The previous answer reported up to this, but wait, we are not done yet. The pending task is, $new/bindir has a bunch of executable scripts with hashbangs, hash, pointing to the $old env paths. See Jupyter, for example. So, we can easily fix it with a sed. Now we are done. 100. I think it should be trivial to write a portable script to do all those and bind it to conda and rename old new. I tested this on Ubuntu. For whatever unforeseen reasons, if things break and you wish to revert the above changes,
If you want to see what else you